Good morning, friends. So in the last period I have explained what is meant by addition and multiplication composition. Then we have seen field structure, what is meant by field, and then we have studied order field. So here we want to see here examples of order field, example of field and order field. But here before that, so we have to see here number system. So we have first is a set of natural numbers. So set of natural numbers, this set is represented by capital N, and this set contains the element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it contains infinite number of elements. So further, set of whole numbers. So set of whole numbers, this set is represented by W, and set of whole numbers contains the element 0, 1, 2, 3 and dash dash dash. Set of whole numbers just contains this element additional 0, then set of natural numbers. The next set we have to see set of integers. Set of integers is represented by I. So either this set is represented by capital I, or in some books it is represented by Z. So set of integers contains all the negative integers and positive integers. So this set of integers contains all the negative as well as positive integers. So to the left of 0, this contains negative integers, -1, -2, -3, and likely here infinite number of negative integers. And to the right of 0, this contains the positive integers. So next set is a set of rational numbers. Set of rational numbers. So either we say that set of rational numbers or set of rationals. Set of rational numbers is represented by Q, and it contains all those elements like X such that X is equal to P divided by Q, where this P and Q are the integers. But here one important thing that, so this element Q is not equal to 0. Means set rational numbers means all the elements which can be written as one integer divided by another integer. But your condition is that this integer Q is not equal to 0. So which are the element of Q? The elements of the form 3 by 4, then -7 by 5, all the elements of the form one integer divided by another integer. And here the simply integers also rational numbers, that is 3, 2, 5, these are also rational numbers, because here this can be written as divided by 1. So this can be written as every integer is a rational number. So this contains all the rational numbers. And now so the element number of this form 1 by 3. So the decimal representation of 1 by 3 is obviously this is a rational number. So its decimal representation is a 0.33. So here this 3 occurs recurringly. So we write this as 3 bar. 0.33 bar means this occurs 3 infinite number of times. So these are also the elements of this form are also rational numbers. Then next is a irrational numbers. So irrational numbers means numbers. So here we have to see the set of irrational numbers. So before that, so like these elements 1 by 3, its decimal representation is 0.33. Here 3 occurs infinite number of times. So we write here this. So elements of this form, so having the recurring decimal representation. So this type of decimal representation where a digit occurs similar digit occurs infinite number of times. So this type of decimal representation is said to be the recurring decimal representation. And elements, fraction numbers, these are also the rational numbers. Now here irrational numbers means such a numbers whose decimal representation is a non-recurring form. Decimal representation is a non-recurring form. So the elements of the root 2, root 3 and here pi, all these are the examples of the irrational numbers. And here finally, so we see here real numbers. Set of real numbers is represented by R, and set of real numbers contains all the rational numbers and irrational numbers. So if we combine set of rational numbers and irrational numbers, union of these two sets means all the elements, all the rational numbers and irrational numbers. So combinedly these are this set is said to be the set of real numbers. Now here we have to see here example of a field. But here in short, so we see here so addition, composition, we have seen already addition, composition and multiplication, composition, that is here on which sets addition and multiplication compositions are defined. So on the set of natural numbers, whole numbers, then a set of integers, rational numbers and real numbers. So addition, composition is defined in all the sets. Likely multiplication, composition is defined in all the sets, that is set of natural numbers, whole numbers, integers and rationals, and again rationals and that set of real numbers also. So we have to see here an example of a field. Example of field. So here we verify all these sets as we have seen. So what's about the set of natural numbers? So set of natural numbers, so we have by the definition of field. What is a field? A set is a field if two compositions, addition composition and multiplication compositions are defined in that set, and if that set satisfies the 11 properties, then that set is said to be a field. So we have to verify for the set of natural numbers whether the set of natural numbers is a field or not. And first we have to verify whether addition and multiplication composition are defined. So addition composition is defined, means here the sum of the any two elements is a natural numbers, that is here addition composition, and this is true for any two element of natural numbers. Sum of any two natural numbers is again a natural number, means addition composition is defined. And likely here multiplication composition is also defined. For 2, 7 belong to set of natural number, we have 2 into 7 is equal to 14. This is again belong to n, that is this is a natural numbers. Means multiplication composition is also defined in set of natural numbers. So here we have to verify. So what happened? So first condition in the definition of field, first condition is satisfied, that is here this property a plus b belong to n. First condition is satisfied. Here sum of any two elements is a natural numbers. Then second condition, a plus b is equal to b plus a, this is also satisfied, that is here 3 plus 4 is equal to 4 plus 3, and this is true for any two natural numbers. Then this condition, a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. So this is also condition satisfies. Here all the conditions satisfies, but here that existence of identity element, this condition is not satisfied. That is for all a belong to n, there does not exist a element like 0, because here 0 does not belong to set of natural numbers. 0 does not belong to set of natural numbers. Like here that property is a plus 0 is equal to a. ही प्रॉपर्टी आपल्याला कशी मिळाली पाहिजे? प्रत्येक सेट ऑफ प्रत्येक नॅचरल नंबरसाठी असा 0 सारखा एलिमेंट एक्झिस्ट झाला पाहिजे की कोणताही नॅचरल नंबर प्लस 0 इज इक्वल टू तोच मिळाला पाहिजे. पण हा 0 हा एलिमेंट सेट ऑफ नॅचरल नंबर्समध्ये नाही आहे, त्याच्यामुळे ही प्रॉपर्टी सॅटिस्फाय होणार नाही. आणि फील्डच्या 11 प्रॉपर्टीमधली एक जरी प्रॉपर्टी सॅटिस्फाय होत नसेल तर ते फील्डचं एक्झाम. सो सेट ऑफ नॅचरल नंबर्स इज not a field. So next is a set of whole numbers. Again, set of whole numbers is in the set of whole number that condition is satisfied, and 0 belong to set of whole numbers. So set of whole numbers means 0, 1, 2, 3 and here all elements. Set of whole numbers means here these are the natural numbers, just here additional element 0 than the set of natural numbers. So all the 4 properties are satisfied, but here this property does not exist. That property number 5, that is for every a belong to n, there should exist a some element b belong to n such that a plus b is equal to identity element of this set. Means here suppose here for 3 there exist which element such that this is equal to 0. For 3 for 3 which element exists? -3. That is -3 is the additive inverse of 3, but a negative elements does not belongs to set of whole numbers. That's why again this property, fifth property, does not satisfied. That's why set of whole numbers is not an example of a field. So next set is a set of integers. So set of integers contains which element? It has all the negative integers and positive integers. So again here before the set of integers we have seen set of whole numbers. So in the set of whole numbers, that fifth property does not satisfied. Fifth property of field does not satisfied because here negative integers does not belong to W. But here this set of integers contains negative integers also. Means here 5 properties satisfied for set of integers. Then 6th property, that is a with respect to multiplication composition. For any 2 element of I, so A into B belong to I. Multiplication of any 2 integers belong to I. Suppose I take here -3 and -7 integers. So the multiplication is a -3 into -7 is a 21. This is again an integer. So here multiplication of any 2 integers is again integer. So this property satisfied. Next property is A into B is equal to B into A. So again this is satisfied. Multiplication of any 2 elements which is equal to multiplication of those elements in the reverse order. This is also satisfied. Next property here we have to see here this A dot B dot C is equal to A dot B dot C. Multiplication of this form is equal. So for any 3 element, so multiplication, suppose 4, 5, 6. I have 4 dots 5 dot 6 is equal to 4 into 5 into 6. So these are equal. This is true for any 3 element. And next property is a existence of identity element. That property I write in short, that is for every element of set. Our set is a set of integers. For every A belong to I, there exists a element A inverse. A inverse means 1 by A, such that A into 1 by A is equal to multiplicative identity 1. So this condition is not satisfied. ही कंडिशन कशी आहे की याच्यामध्ये आयडेंटिटी एलिमेंट विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू मल्टिप्लिकेशन कंपोजिशन, मल्टिप्लिकेटिव्ह आयडेंटिटी एलिमेंट कोणता आहे सेट ऑफ इंटिजर्ससाठी? 1 आहे. 1 is a multiplicative identity in set of integers because any integer into 1 is equal to itself. So that's why 1 is a multiplicative identity. And here next condition, this is number 9, this is number 10, and this condition is for every integer there exists an element of the form 1 upon that integer such that A into 1 by A is equal to A. But here this A is a not non-zero, A not equal to 0. आणि दिस कंडिशन इज फॉर द नॉन झिरो एलिमेंट. म्हणजे आता ही कंडिशन कशी आहे की समजा आपण 3 हा इंटिजर घेतला तर 3 साठी इंटू मल्टिप्लिकेशनमध्ये असा कोणता एलिमेंट एक्झिस्ट झाला पाहिजे की जेणेकरून हे कशाबरोबर आलं पाहिजे, मल्टिप्लिकेटिव्ह आयडेंटिटी इतकं आलं पाहिजे या सेटच्या. म्हणजे इथे एलिमेंट कुठला असला पाहिजे, 3 इंटू 1/3 इज इक्वल टू 1. म्हणजे 3चा मल्टिप्लिकेटिव्ह इन्व्हर्स 1/3 असायला पाहिजे. पण हे 1/3 फ्रॅक्शनल नंबर्स हे इंटिजर्समध्ये नाहीत. म्हणजे ही कंडिशन सॅटिस्फाय होणार नाही. आणि ही कंडिशन सॅटिस्फाय होणार नाही म्हणजे सेट ऑफ इंटिजर्स हे देखील फील्ड नाही आहे.